Lighting control has come a long way. What originated as a simple on-off switch has evolved into dynamic, intelligent systems that can completely transform a space. Lighting control is the key. Whether you're setting a scene or designing an immersive environment. And at the heart of it all is DMX. DMX stands for Digital Multiplex, a standardized digital communication protocol that lets you control intelligent lighting fixtures remotely. DMX is an industry-standard protocol that controls modern, professional-grade lighting setups. A central controller commands these fixtures to dim, strobe, change color, and run complex sequences. DMX is what makes lighting scenes flexible, interactive, and creative. To understand how DMX works, let's look at how systems can be designed. One DMX universe is made up of 512 channels, each of which is controllable. Each lighting fixture is assigned to a respective address, allowing independent lighting control among its channels. Each controllable channel is assigned to a different parameter of lighting control, like brightness, color, movement, or effects. Each address depends on the number of channels within that specific lighting fixture. The number of channels for an LED tape light system is dependent on the number of wires each LED tape light run has, not including the V+ wire, the wire giving the LED tape light power. Let's look at a simple breakdown of how channels and addresses appear for most linear LED tape light systems. To help simplify the following example, all of the starting DMX decoder addresses are 001. A static white LED tape light is a two-wire system with the black wire occupying channel 1. A tunable white LED tape light is usually a three-wire system with the warm white wire occupying channel 1 and the cool white wire occupying channel 2. An RGB LED tape light is a four-wire system with the red wire occupying channel 1, the green wire occupying channel 2, and the blue wire occupying channel 3. An RGBW LED tape light is a five-wire system with the red wire occupying channel 1, the green wire occupying channel 2, the blue wire occupying channel 3, and the white wire occupying channel 4. So why has DMX become the go-to solution for so many? It's all about power, precision, and versatility. It's universally compatible. DMX is the most commonly used open-source protocol for controlling lighting. It's highly scalable. DMX is excellent for everything from home automation systems to massive stage productions. It's reliable. As a wired system, DMX ensures smooth, uninterrupted communication. It's no wonder it's trusted worldwide by lighting designers, event pros, and custom integrators. From creating cinematic lighting in your home to programming multi-fixture scenes for events, DMX gives you complete control and creative freedom. We understand DMX can be complicated. Please feel free to email technical support at diodeled.com for more information and answers to difficult questions.